banged up. Here it is. Where's the AC adapter? It was in the photos. Told the seller they need to send it. Tell my brother the seller's kind of an idiot. I bet he left the hard drive in it and actually does have one. And hey, look, there it is. Gave me a little trouble, but it's off. 2 gigs of RAM. Okay. Oh, sweet. 500 gig. Here's the airport card. CPU cooling fan. And the CD-ROM drive. Oh, so that's why they call it the super drive. Oh, shit. Look at that. Some corrosion there. Oh, it has that smell. Like the HP had. The hard drive has been upgraded. Here's the options right here. And I got a message from the seller. They're sending the charger out ASAP. So, great. Got Bluetooth. Hey, this says the Core 2 Duo T7500. Like the IRS D830. It's a good chip. I think it's 2.1. Keyboard's not bad. Sounds fine. And we're done with this. With batteries. Found an original one that was 90 something watt hours. This one's only 52. So the other one had a good run. The original one. The original lasted about 5 years.